I'm Robert Harness, I'm Business Development Manager for ebm-papst UK. We make fans, we're a leading manufacturer of fans, and we traditionally sell to manufacturers of equipment, heating, ventilation, air conditioning, but we are the world's leader with energy efficient motors and fans, our EC technology. And what we found is that in the market, people aren't aware of the fan inside the equipment and how efficient it can be. So we've come to places like Sustainability Live, where we can get the message across to the people who are interested in the energy consumption, not just the equipment. So when they go into the toilets and they've got hand dryers, when they've got an extractor fan in their bathroom, or their air conditioning is working, to remember that air is being driven by a fan, and they just need to be aware of what's happening with it, and if they want energy savings, to consider it, and they can always speak to us for advice. Okay, well we have on the stand here a few examples of the not just the energy saving, but the additional benefits of EC technology and permanent magnet motors. And for this one, we've got it set up to show how easy it is to control the speed, and also simple connection to a temperature sensor. So at the moment, you'll see this is actually being driven very slowly by the EC motor, and one of the great benefits of these is they keep their efficiency even at a very low speed. And it can be simply controlled by connecting a little potentiometer to it, a little dial knob on there, and you'll see that is now blowing quite a bit. Alternatively, it's got a temperature sensor connected in, and if you were to just warm up the sensor, it would increase the fan speed against the temperature. So you've got really simple control systems with very silent control compared to variable frequency drives. And we have a similar example here where we just have a pressure sensor connected to the fan, and it will measure the pressure, and the fan speed will change according to the difference in pressure in the duct. And this is our favourite example of EC technology, not only because it's eye-catching, so it gets people's attention, but it is such an obvious explanation of why you should use EC technology. These fans are used in refrigerated display cases in supermarkets. This is what they call a Q motor. It's the old technology, and this is our ebm-papst IQ motor, which is the replacement EC technology version. And what you'll see here, what the dials tell you at the front, is the old motor is consuming 30 watts, and the IQ motor is only consuming 7 watts. Even more significantly, because this is inefficient, it produces a lot of heat, it's waste heat, and it's in the bottom of a fridge. So obviously, you wouldn't put an electric fire in the bottom of your fridge, but here we're producing an extra 20 degrees of heat, which has to then be cooled by the equipment, as well as keeping the food cool. So ebm-papst Green Tech EC technology will save, on average, around 30% on your energy consumption with just the motors. And there are additional benefits: reduced cooling load because they run cooler, more controllability, which saves even more energy, and they're very quiet motors.